welcome to today's video. We have a box with something I've been waiting for too long to buy, and this is long overdue. I needed a new one of these. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the box and see what's in it. Got my handy dandy little tiny knife.
You're going to say little tiny cameraman. I was going to hit you.
The poor cameraman. What's in the box, I guess, is another box. It's not very exciting, is it?
No, you just got a couple boxes now.
What is in the box is polishing pad conditioner. You can lube it or lose it. I don't know where they came up with it, but it's awful.
Is it on that bottle?
That's something to live by.
It actually says that on the...
You have to live by this. Lube it or lose it.
Words to live by.
A polishing pad cleaner, some more microfiber towels, a finishing pad, and a heavy cutting pad. The red backing plate, which this one is actually meant to be used on the foam and all that, or for the finishing. Another polishing pad, and another finishing pad, and we got another pad. The big thing here is we got the Torqx, which I found online, and I've been searching through reviews and stuff for weeks, if not months, to find the right one. But it comes with the wrench, and for what I'm using it for, this is probably the best deal I could get, which I'll put a link to this kit down in the description off of Amazon. I needed something smaller than the rotary that I've been using because that thing is just massive. It's obnoxious how loud it is. This one's supposed to be a lot quieter, which I hope is true. We're going to use it on this lovely machine. Let's see how loud this thing is real quick, because that's what I'm really curious about. It's a lot quieter than the other one.
A quarter as loud as the other one.
Way worse.
Yeah, it was.
But we're going to see if this thing will correct all the paint to my liking. The polish and all the different compounds I'm using should definitely be enough. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and cut to me polishing the paint and seeing if I can get the swirls out before I get frostbite. Luckily with this thing you can't really create holograms or anything like that because it just doesn't, like you can't put that much pressure into it.
Yeah.
And the way that the pad's moving, it's not going to create any of the hot spots. Well, it's putting the conditioner on there, it keeps it all wet, so you're not putting a dry pad on paint, which is never good.
Yeah, you gotta lube it or lose it, Xander.
Exactly. I don't know what to do. I've never done this with... I have never had this many things in front of my face saying, hey, you can polish with one of these 5 pads.
There's a lot of things there.
I like orange.
That's your reasoning behind that? You like orange?
Yeah, this pad's actually the really, really harsh one.
Wow.
Shake it up real good. Next step to this video, we're going to lube it up. So we have an update. I have polished the Mercedes so freaking hard that it turned into a Mustang. It went from this crap.
That's what it all looked like. And now...
That looks terrible. Then you look at this and it's like pretty freaking good. Like this isn't 100% polished just because shows aren't for another month. And for some reason, we still have snow in Ohio. I'm not putting 100% effort into this thing just yet. I'm waiting until it's like 70 degrees out before I get full-on paint correction. But I want to make it look nice because this weekend's supposed to be nice. Or at least one day this weekend, or week, or month. And eventually it's going to be nice, so I got my fingers crossed. I'm hopeful. The big thing is, after polishing it, it went from being a dark blue to this. You see all the extra colors, like the really light metallic blue. That comes out, and then it turns to a dark blue, and then it turns to purple. And it really makes me realize why this color is so pretty to look at all the time. And there's a lot of things that are really similar between this car and my other one. and I never really noticed it, but the way the colors kind of shift from the lighter colors to the darker purples, honestly kind of surprising because it's the same way the other one is. It's just the other one's a lot brighter, and I think that after polishing it, that's how this one's kind of going to be. All I got left now is the other side. God, I got the other side to do. I got the hood and the trunk, which, about the trunk, we're going to show Matthew how to polish on the trunk because it's a really flat surface. It's a perfect place to start. So, I'll get back with you guys here in a bit. If I'm still awake, I might be asleep in my back seat because those things are actually really comfortable, surprisingly.
And I might have burnt through the paint.
Yeah, and then I'll be in a coma. Here's another update for you. I have started on the hood, finally. I also did the glaze on the passenger side, but it is freezing cold in here. Like, I don't know what's going on in Ohio, but it's cold. Anyways, when this kind of thing happens, quite frequently, you try and come up with the most creative ways to stay warm. And our way is this lamp, this light, this heater, this steam cleaner. And Matthew.
Makes my face warm.
The paint's looking pretty good. I mean, look at that. Look at that shine. Yeah, look at that flake.
Too into it, Xander.
She birdie.
Too into it. I'm getting uncomfortable.
Say hello to my little friend!
It's like 4 something in the morning. I got a little carried away. I started out polishing one side of a Mercedes to finish it up. And I did that in about an hour. I got the bright idea to polish the Mustang and wax it because I never did that yet. And the day that I decided to do it was when it's like 20 degrees out. I am exhausted. I'm gonna drive home. Now, do me a huge favor while I can still think. Go down, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Please drop a like to support my sleep deprivation. And go subscribe to his channel, which I'll put it right there. There, yeah. We will see you next time. I'm gonna get some much needed sleep when I get home. Look at that, she's like purple. Now I just need to get bigger brakes and new tires. I need new tires desperately.
I'm dead inside.
Anyways, we will see you in the next one. Good night. There is one problem with this car, and it's only a problem when it's 4:20 in the morning and everybody's asleep, or everybody in their right mind is asleep. This is really loud when you start it up. Anyways, here goes nothing. Sorry, everybody.
That's loud.
Yep, that's my car. This is why I can't decide if the X-Pipe is a good idea or a bad idea.
And I have to drive that, and that, and that, and also that.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Xander.
I'll see you probably tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined.